From the very first moment this tiny lion cub entered our world, he looked up with those big, curious eyes and completely stole our hearts. Those early days were filled with gentle cuddles, tiny paws, and the softest purrs. We watched him grow stronger with every bottle feed and every loving touch. Bottle time became our special ritual: milk, patience, and endless love. Little did we know how fast our fragile baby would transform. Week by week, he grew bolder and bigger, from a helpless cub in our arms to a playful companion who trusted us completely. Soon she discovered the warmth of the sun on her fur, the cool tiles beneath her paws, and the joy of simple, gentle affection. Her confidence bloomed.